everybody, I'm Dave.
And I'm Brenda.
Today we're at the end of Marsh Bend Trail, right as you get to the area where the second phase of Deluna is going to be. Today we're going to do an updated fly of some of the area there, just see what the progress is. We haven't flown this area, I think, since November 7th. So we'll go ahead and get the drone ready, and we'll be up in just a minute. All right, like I said, today we're gonna fly over the new section of Deluna. November 7th was the last time we've flown through here. And if you know, on our prediction show, I'm predicting that there'll be homes first foundation in February. So I'm trying to get my bearings here. Brenda is spotting for me again.
Hi, I'm spotting.
And I want to do a little bit of reconnaissance, see how close things are. So let me go down over this way, Brenda, so you can keep an eye on, because I want to fly a little bit low. We're flying on a Sunday, and did I go too low for you, Brenda?
Well, you're getting ready to go behind this big tree.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm moving to the side.
All right, you got it?
Yep.
All righty. I'll move forward to, oh, there I am. All right. This is on a Sunday, so no contractors in there, so we can kind of fly around, not worry about flying over people. Now, what I'm looking for in this reconnaissance, I'll go a little low. Let me know if I get too low, Brenda.
Yeah, you're fine.
I'm looking to see if we have electrical transformers. Now, on the screen here, let me move my glasses here. It's a little harder for me to see, so I'm hoping, oh, well, yeah, I can make it out. I see transformers. The transformers on the ground is one of the last things they do on the lots before they build. So it looks like some of those are in place. I'm looking at that right there. That's actually electrical line coming up, so that's waiting for a transformer. So there's still a little bit of work to be done. So that's still fitting, though, with my time frame of February. See, light posts are in, streets are paved, cleaned up. Looks like just a little bit of electrical work is going to need to take place. Now, this area here is still a little bit close to the turnpike. Let me pull up high. You got me, Brenda?
Oh, yeah, you're fine.
Let's see what this traffic is doing. It looked like it was at a standstill a little while ago. Look like it's moving again. This is a busy time of year for us. It's, again, just after New Year's. I think some people are working their way home. I'm heading straight up to 400, Brenda.
Mm-hmm, gotcha.
It's moving pretty slow, heading northbound. Remember, the Florida Turnpike is what's coming through this area. I think in the long term, I think there's some talk of widening the Florida Turnpike, because it does get backed up quite often through here during heavy travel days. And it's approaching Interstate I-75 that it'll have an interchange up the road a mile or two. I don't think I can pick it up in this video. No. All right, now as I sweep around looking here at Deluna, you can see there's still areas. You see up straight ahead there, that is still not going to be ready for a little bit. Doesn't look like the road's cut in. Now look at, in the center of Deluna is this, I'll call it a preserve. I haven't heard what they're going to call it. But that's an interesting little area. I'm going to come down again, Brenda, and try and look at that preserve. Just let me know if I'm getting too far.
The clouds are helping.
What's that?
The clouds are doing a good job of keeping you right there.
Okay. Yeah. I'll head out this way so that I can go behind the tree where you're looking. Now, what I wanted to show you is this whole area is enclosed. You know, housing goes all the way around it, but on the edge, you'll see this wall. So they have actually retaining wall that the backyards will be on. And I'm thinking, you know, just kind of glancing from this, I think that's probably a 10-foot high wall. So you'd actually be like 10 feet over top of this area. So now that area will you know, probably end up with alligators and things, and that wall would be nice. It'll keep them from climbing up in your yard, I would suspect. Maybe they could climb a wall, I don't know. But it'd be a good view looking across there. Now remember, if you were to build a home on an area such as this, let's see if we can get around this way so you can see what it would look like looking out. You won't be able to control what happens with that land, meaning that if trees grow up, you can't cut them. If your view gets kind of cut off from trees, that's just has to stay natural. You're not going to be able to cut that. But you know, as with that water in there, I don't think it's going to grow up real high. I think it could end up being a nice view, but that is a risk you take when you build on an area like that. All right, let's head back up again. You got me, Brenda?
Mm-hmm. Yep, gotcha.
And go up high, so you got me. And this on the end here, I don't want to go too far. Just area about there. That is where the Deluna recreational area. They're actually named it the Deluna Recreational. That is going to have an adult pool. And you can see that postal station is what's there under roof. That's where the postal station will be. It looks pretty good size from here. So of course there's a lot of house or residential area in here. There is no building for like a recreation center. Again, this is a recreational area. I think it was listed to have your typical, you know, shuffleboard, things like that. But it may have been, I think pickleball courts were on the list, and that would kind of fit with that flat area we're seeing right there. Megason Road is much farther along than last time. Not Megason. Marsh Bend Trail is much farther along than the last time we looked through here. And eventually that will go all the way out to 301. Now way off in the distance, they've still been working heavy. At 301, they've put up a traffic signal, but the road isn't even paved. It's a dirt road coming off of 301, so the traffic light is not actually operational yet. All right, I think that's about all to see. I don't see any foundations in yet. I don't see any indications of them. I was looking for some white posts that usually will show up first, where they would post the work permits or the building permits. I don't see that anywhere. Just kind of scanning around, and we'll start heading back this direction. And let's see what else we have around here. Look, it's all just residential. There's not going to be any golf courses or anything like that in here. Just that one recreation area that I'm aware of. Several, of course, view lots, as you're seeing there. Now, right at the entrance, I know there were some people asking me about this. This is the entrance into the second part of Deluna. If you're looking straight ahead, you see the houses of the existing part of Deluna. But this right in here, that I'm suspecting will be villas. It'll be a little while before they're ready. The roads have not been completely done in there. They're working on it. Well, actually, it looks like there are roads in there. So, looking kind of dirty though, so I'm not sure they finished what they were doing. Also along the road here, let me spin around. Right there. All right, on the right hand side of the road, you'll see they've put in the pathway. That actually is not multimodal. That'll be a bike and walking trail. It connects on the bike and walking trail. Now I'll follow it around here. It connects with the part that is already open in the main part of Deluna. Right there. In fact, you may see us. That's our cart on the side of the road right there. And that is where we're operating from today. Brenda's waving. And let me make sure you know this area is still not open for carts to drive and people to walk around. You'll see good work happening here by our local police officer, doing a great job of trying to politely remind people this area is not open. So please just enjoy our videos, and we'll try and show you what's going on. Once the roads are officially open, we'll get you some video inside, but let's keep it to the drone people for now, just to keep you safe. All right, let's see, we can ride it on over here and give our goodbyes. See if you can see us. There we are.
Hey.
All right, everybody, thank you. Hopefully that was useful information to you. We'll keep an eye on this area. Lots happened in 8 weeks,
Yes,
but
it
I think you're going to see some houses in here before long. Once they start doing some houses, start selling some lots, they'll probably open this up. So we'll keep track of it for you. Again, subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate you guys that are out there. If you ring the bell out there, it'll notify you that next time we explore the villages. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.